Castor oil is one oil that has been used for centuries due to its incredible health benefits. But regrettably, many people seem to use it so wrongly that they don't get the best results. In this video, I'm going to show you the right way to use castor oil for maximum benefit. Should you use it orally or directly on your skin? Is it better in the morning, afternoon, or night? And how much should you actually be using? I'm going to answer all of these questions in this video. Castor oil is actually made from castor beans, either from extraction or by pressing. And the active ingredient in this oil is called ricinoleic acid, which is responsible for most of its antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, antifungal, and pain relieving properties. Now, whether to use castor oil on your skin or use it orally actually depends on your motive. When it comes to using castor oil on your skin, you actually have to make sure that you are targeting the right area for the right reasons. If you have moles on your skin, castor oil can actually help get rid of this problem. And how you do this is by mixing a few drops of castor oil with a pinch of baking soda. You are going to mix them together and then you are going to apply it on that particular spot where you are having that mole. Do this consistently and that is going to help get rid of that problem. For arthritis and joint pain, castor oil is also very good. And that is because castor oil is very anti-inflammatory and also very antioxidant. Now, how you do this is that you're going to apply this oil to that part of your joint where you're having that pain. And after adding it, you're going to cover with a plastic wrap. To amplify this effect, you are going to apply heating using a heating pad for about 20 to 30 minutes. This method allows the ricinoleic acid, which is the active ingredient in castor oil, to penetrate deep into your tissue and provide long-lasting results or long-lasting effects. So make sure to follow this method, and if you are struggling with acne, castor oil can also be really effective. That is because it is very antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory. It can help reduce bacterial overgrowth underneath your skin. Now, there are actually two ways of using castor oil to prevent acne. The first way is by mixing castor oil with some carrier oil like coconut oil or almond oil. Now, the other method is by mixing castor oil with baking soda, and you're going to massage it all over your face where you are having that acne. That is going to help prevent this condition. For scalp and hair, castor oil is very good, and how you do this is by slightly heating your castor oil, not too hot, and you're going to massage it all over your head. Because of this heating process, that is going to allow the ricinoleic acid in this castor oil to penetrate through your scalp, to penetrate through your hair, and that is going to help stimulate hair growth, improve moisture in your hair, reduce inflammation, reduce oxidative stress in your hair. It's going to help hydrate your hair, okay? If you want to use castor oil orally as an adult, I would actually recommend you take 3 teaspoons of castor oil. In the intestine, castor oil gets broken down into ricinoleic acid, which is going to bind and activate the smooth muscle receptor in your intestine, particularly the E3 and E4 postanoid receptor. Activating this receptor is going to cause your intestine to contract, and this contraction is going to result in intestinal movement, which relieves constipation. So this is why taking castor oil is very good in preventing constipation. If you are feeling constipated, just take 3 spoons of castor oil, and that is going to help solve this problem. And it also happens that these receptors, EP3 and the EP4 receptors, are also present in the uterus, which means that castor oil can also work on the uterus and induce labor. So that is a great advantage for pregnant women. Now, when it comes to timing, I wouldn't actually advise you take castor oil before you go to bed, I mean orally. That is because castor oil has delay effect on the body. It usually takes about 4 to 6 hours for castor oil to be very effective. So the best time to take castor oil orally is actually in the morning on an empty stomach when you are close to the bathroom, okay? But if you want to apply it directly on your body topically, the best time is actually at night time as part of your nighttime routine. Alright, so these are the best way to take castor oil for maximum benefit. Thanks for watching.